This family boat tour in Jamaica allows the entire family to see tropical fish swimming below the sea. This is a vacation activity that everyone from 8 to 80 can enjoy together without anyone feeling left out. The glass-bottom boat at Round Hill eliminates the need for snorkeling gear or swimming abilities. Parents and kids can take in views of angelfish and parrotfish darting through coral reefs through the boat's glass bottom. The pilots have perfected this family-friendly experience over years of guiding guests. The water stays calm near shore, perfect for those sensitive to motion and for good visibility. This complimentary tour comes included with Round Hill Villa stays, making it an easy addition to family vacation plans. After your boat tour, walk to the nearby Lobster Trap restaurant for a family dinner featuring lobsters you spotted in underwater traps. Create memories that span generations. Book your Round Hill family vacation now.